guys, my name is Sunny, and in this little video today we are going to install extended lugs. Also, I'm going to fit the wheels on the car and adjust all the coils to the ride height that I want. Then we'll drop on the ground, see what it looks like. So I should have started the video with everything on it before I took things apart, but the way I'm going to put it all back on is pretty much the same way taking it apart. So I just had my little baby Thor hammer somewhere around here, and I knocked the old ones out with it still in the car. I know that's not the proper way. I know you need like a press or something to do it and then press the new ones back in, but here at the garage we don't have that, so we got to improvise. All right, so let's get started. And then after that we'll adjust everything and then put it on the ground, hopefully. All right, so we just got to line these up with the spline. That looks good. Let's go find some open-end lugs. I'll have to look here somewhere. So we're gonna throw these spacers on, or these washers on. Make sure it lines up. And make sure your nuts go on. Bet. Just like that. And then we'll find our 19 somewhere. Right here. I'm just going to slowly bring them in. So we're going to do that to all 4 of them, and then the other side. So I'm going to speed it up a little bit. And that is it. Done. Where are my spacers? Alright, so we're going to add the doors back on. You know, sometimes I don't think. Been a long day, I'll tell you that. Add our 2 19s in the back. Sick. Beautiful. And there we have it. That's the side's done. So now we gotta flip over to the other side and do the other one. Let's go, guys. A little too late for these, but why not? And also, as you can see, don't let your calipers hang like this. Mine just fell off because I was turning the wheel on the other side. So make sure you put it up. Put the calipers back on. Our rotors back on. All right, so we gotta adjust the camber plates to pull the wheel in, and it's gonna match, so we can match the other side. That's what it looks like. Looks dope. All right, so let's mess with this camber plate real quick. So the extended lugs are done. I just put the wheels back on. I noticed that the other side has more wheel gap, so that means that we need to adjust the coils. As you can see, look at it here. We're at the 595, the Federals. It's right in the half mark of that. We're showing half of the 5, so that's what we want to try to match on the other side. We go and look on the other side. Over here. Look at all that. Doesn't even match, so we're going to adjust that. All right, so we got to loosen this collar here. Then we're going to use the spanner wrench up top, the coil wrench, to twist this down. So we're going to break it loose. just like that. Just gonna take a little wire brush and clean all around it. You know, all those little debris and rocks all out of there, out of the grooves, out of the threads. And your best friend's PB blasters, any type of lube. We'll measure the other side and come back and do this one. Let's see what that looks like. So let's step back. So we're gonna lock this back up clockwise. That's good. That's it. Put the wheel back on. See if it matches. And there you have it, guys. We're all back down on the ground, adjusted. I like that. Looks so dope. It's super tight too. Man, this thing is coming along great. I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers in the past few days. If you're watching, if you're new to the channel, just please hit the like and subscribe. Anything you want to see or anything you want to ask me in the comments below, go for it. I'll definitely reply back. And then hopefully in another month or so, we can actually get her kit. And that, you have to stay and stick around and find out what that is. But we were fitted. We're on the ground, and tomorrow, maybe, if I can get the gauge and the, I can't even think right now, and the, whatever. If I can get it all back together, I'm taking this thing out for a drive. I don't care what it looks like. So anyways, if you guys want to do us a favor, also hit up our Instagram. It is Inspired.MMXX, and follow us on that. And also check out our new merch. I'm just kidding, we ain't got no merch yet. But soon, hopefully. Thank you guys for all the support. Peace out. Till next time.